Welcome to Professor's Garage. Trying to slow down on the highway, and my steering wheel is shaking. What's wrong? Check the brakes. Front brakes, I replaced them 6 months ago, and they are like new. The rear brake pads were replaced 3 years ago. Let's take a look. Raise the vehicle on level ground and release the parking brake. Take off the wheel. The rotor looks rusty. Let's remove the caliper and brake pads. The brake pads are worn and uneven. Let's also remove the rotor and take a closer look. Spray some penetrating oil on the mounting bolts before attempting to remove them. Take off the factory screws. Use two M8 125 bolts to help separate the rotor from the hub. Make sure you have disengaged the parking brake before this removal. And check this out. The old factory rotor has seen better days. Look at the circular grooves. The rotor is done. It's time to retire them. So let's go ahead to replace them on both sides. Clean both sides of the new rotor to remove oil. And hold it with the factory screws. Clean and re-grease the caliper pins. Reinstall the bracket with blue thread locker on the 17mm bolts. And torque them to 65 foot-pounds. Install brake hardware Grease the new pads. Slide them in, turn, and push them in place. Compress the caliper piston slowly. Check and make sure the master cylinder doesn't overflow. Grease the contact surfaces. And put it on. Torque the 12mm bolts to 16 foot-pounds. Replace the brake rotor and pads on the other side of the vehicle. Reinstall the wheels and torque the lug nuts to 94 foot-pounds. Pump the brakes several times before driving the vehicle. Follow instructions for the braking procedure. You have a smooth ride. I hope this video is helpful and informative. If a professor can do it, you can do it. Until the next time, may the Lord bless you and give you peace. 平安。